Radhika Seth, ocean breeze and sunshine glow. Radhika Seth turns heads in her latest photo dump, embracing the sun and sea with a chic bikini look that screams effortless vacation vibes. Dressed in a pastel blue two-piece with unique cutout detailing, she pairs her beach wear with sleek sunglasses and minimal accessories, letting her natural beauty and toned confidence shine through. The soft hues of her outfit perfectly complement the ocean backdrop, making this look as refreshing as the sea breeze. Radhika Shades' choice of style reflects her carefree yet fashionable persona, proving that less is truly more when it comes to beach glam. Starting her journey as a model and digital creator, Radhika Seth has quickly evolved into one of the most promising young actresses. With a strong social media presence, she has collaborated with top brands and carved her identity as a fashion-forward personality. She recently stepped into the acting world with Call My Agent, Bollywood on Netflix, where her performance garnered praise and showcased her potential as a rising star, balancing glamour, talent, and ambition. Radhika Seth continues to win hearts both online and on screen. Her photodumps not only highlight her love for travel and style but also her growing influence as an artist. Thank you for watching Showbiz International News. Please subscribe Showbiz International News for updating news and more informations.